For 20 years, Coffee Break Languages has helped millions of people learn a language, step by step, lesson by lesson, a little at a time. And that approach works. We know it works. But over the last few years, our team has been quietly working on something different. Something that we believe is going to change language learning forever. This is Coffee Break Immersion. The science behind Coffee Break Immersion took years to develop. Our research team identified that the human brain already contains the neural architecture for language acquisition. It's always been there. What's been missing is activation. Coffee Break Immersion works by delivering a proprietary blend of aromatic compounds directly to the olfactory receptors, the part of the brain most closely linked to memory, emotion, and language processing. One spritz is enough to activate dormant linguistic pathways. The effect is rapid. In most cases, it begins within a few seconds. We ran extensive trials. The results were consistent. Coffee Break Immersion is available in 4 varieties: Immersion Français, Immersion Deutsch, Immersion Espagnol, Immersion Italiano. There was an extra one for those of you with bigger ambitions: Immersion Polyglot. Each one has been formulated specifically for its target language. The compounds are different, the activation is different, and the results speak for themselves.
Excuse me, sir. Have you ever learned a language?
Yeah, I did French at school, but I don't remember a word of it.
So would you be willing to give Coffee Break Immersion a try?
Sure, what is it?
Well, this is our new scent. The idea is 1 spritz and total fluency.
In the language? Oh, wow.
Absolutely. So you learn French?
Yeah, French.
Okay, so let's try our French fragrance.
Okay, and I just spritz it on?
Yeah.
Then, right, okay. But I mean, that surely won't work. Ça fait genre 12 ans. Attends, je suis en train de parler français là.
Vous êtes en train de parler français, donc c'est magnifique, n'est-ce pas?
Ouais, bah ça marche.
Yes, it does indeed work, but then we always knew it would. Coffee Break Immersion, 20 years of language learning expertise distilled. 1 spritz, total fluency. Available from the 1st of April.